good day, sir. So in this video, we're going to present our final project. But before that, let me introduce myself first. So I'm Laika Wida Ganato. So first discussion is book table. And what is the purpose of this table? So stores information about individual books in the library. And what is the explanation of this table? So holds details like the book's title and the author and the publisher and the number of copies available. Number two is the table categories. So what is the purpose of this table? So the purpose of this table is stores different categories or or genres of books. An explanation is table is lists various categories like fiction, science, or history to classify books. 3. Table book has categories. So, purpose. So, establishes a many-to-many relationship between books and categories. So, explanation. So, this table links books to their respective categories, allowing a book to be categorized under multiple genres. And 4 is table users. So what is the purpose of this table? So stores information about library users. So explanation. Today's table user details like their names, usernames, passwords, and rules, member or admin. And the last is table buried books. So what is the purpose? So records information about both books currently borrowed by users. So explanation this table is tracks which books are currently borrowed by users, so including the borrowing date and return date. Thank you.